When moving objects or components in Maya, it is often useful to be able to place them precisely in the scene. To help with this, you can use snapping. Snapping works at the object or component level. In the former case, an object will always snap at its pivot point. Although snapping modes are available in the status line, you can also activate them on the fly via hotkeys. You can hold X and middle drag to activate grid snapping. Some common uses for this are to place objects a set distance apart, or to place components exactly on a line of symmetry. You can also use grid snapping to quickly align objects or components by disabling Retain Component Spacing in the Move Tool settings. Hold C and middle drag to activate Curve Snapping. This is commonly used to move objects along a motion trail or slide vertices along their edges. In the latter case, the same functionality can be achieved by setting the Move Tool's transform constraint to Edge. Or you can use the even more robust Surface option to move a component while keeping it anchored to an object's surface. Hold V and middle drag to activate point snapping. This is useful for aligning points for merging, or placing geometry or locators on things like joints. You can also use it to snap one object's pivot to another's. Just select the object you want to snap to, and use Display, Transform Display, Rotate Pivots to make its pivot visible. Then V middle drag another object to it. In this case, we can use it to place the cone perfectly inside the cube. Finally, you can snap to a specific object's surface in the scene by making it live. This works like the surface transform constraint we showed earlier, except it snaps any multi-axis move or tweak operation, even on other objects, to the live object's surface. Like the other snap operations, it works at a component level as well.